The role of a social worker can have a huge positive impact on individuals and their wider social circles, if you like, families and carers. I worked as a domiciliary care worker in the community. I saw the difference a social worker can make to individuals' lives, the positive change and impact they can have on that person. Studying social work at USW is a great place to prepare you for a career in social work. The course fully prepared me to undertake my role as a social worker within a local authority. I feel fully equipped and knowledgeable from both classroom-based learning and practical opportunities that I've had during the course. I was employed straight after the course by the local authority that hosted me for my placement within university. The social work course at USW, and I had a very positive experience given the amount of support on offer to students from student support and library services. Lecturers are always on hand to support the social work students. If you feel that you have the skills and qualities and passion in terms of helping people, then you should definitely apply. Going into the role of a social worker, being able to see the positive change and impact my role can have on an individual's life. This is why I love my job so much.